How to access Allstate digital ID cards. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to access Allstate digital ID cards. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Allstate policyholders can access, download, and print their insurance ID card 24/7 online or through the mobile app. Now, to access your Allstate ID card, you can get your Allstate insurance card by downloading a copy from your online account or requesting one by mail. But to make things even easier, policyholders can also access a digital insurance card through the Allstate mobile app. To get your card online, log into your Allstate account and go to Get Your ID Card. From there, you can view, save, print, or email your Allstate ID card. The next way is through the mail. If you don't have a printer, you can request a physical copy of your ID card by accessing your Allstate account online or by calling your agent. And the other way is through your mobile app. Download your ID card right to your mobile device through the App Store or Google Play to view, save, and email your card through the Allstate mobile app. Once you sign up for an insurance policy with Allstate, you will receive a confirmation email with a link to your new card ID. Make sure to download and print it as a proof of insurance. Keep a copy in your vehicle to have as a backup in case you don't have your mobile phone on hand. So, this is how you can access Allstate digital ID cards. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for similar helpful tutorials. Thank you for staying with us until the end.